in-app navigation options on both Uber and Lyft are not always reliable, and today we'll discuss why it's good practice to utilize third-party navigation apps. So as I discussed last year, Lyft actually removed the option to use Google Maps or Waze as your default navigation app, although there still is a way to access Google Maps and Waze from the Lyft driver app on a per-ride basis. Now, Uber still allows you to use Google Maps, Waze, or Apple Maps as your default navigation, but they would prefer that you stay in the app. I do have Google Maps set as my default navigation app on Uber, and I don't have a screenshot, but when I try to launch Google Maps from the Uber driver app, occasionally I'll see a pop-up that asks me if I do want to actually leave the Uber driver app. I've also been seeing this distracted driving is dangerous driving message from Uber frequently, which is rich because if they actually did care, they wouldn't send us queued requests that take our attention away from our current ride and make us analyze details for our next request while we're still driving. And I receive this message on a weekly basis because there are times where I am going back and forth from Google Maps to the Uber driver app. Now, as far as the default in-app navs on both Lyft and Uber, they can be reliable, but a lot of times they can be pretty unreliable. Here in Minnesota, we're paid guaranteed rates of $1.28 per mile and 31 cents per minute when transporting a passenger. So Uber and Lyft, they would like to dictate our routes so that the routes are shorter. The more miles we drive when transporting a rider means more money for drivers and less money for Uber and Lyft. So here I'm always looking for the longest, most efficient route. I'd rather have the route be longer in terms of mileage and shorter in terms of time. And here's an example of Lyft trying to manipulate the route that they want me to take with their in-app nav. This current recommended route is 18 minutes and 11 miles. But I personally knew without having to reference Google Maps that there's a better route to take. I can take the freeway the entire way. And immediately that route changes from 18 minutes and 11 miles to 15 minutes and 13 miles. So the Lyft nav was trying to get me to take a shorter route but with a longer duration, and riders want to get to their destination as quick as possible, so the longer route is a much better route. And I've also found that the in-app navs can be inaccurate in terms of ETAs, especially with the Uber driver app, and I did a video on these Uber nav issues almost a year ago. I've just gotten to a point where I don't trust those Uber in-app nav ETAs at all anymore. And also with the Lyft in-app nav, they say my ETA is going to be 21 minutes to this destination, but Google Maps said it would be 18 minutes to the destination. And sure enough, when I arrived at this rider's destination, the drop-off time was 3:41, the exact same time as the Google Maps estimation. So these in-app navs can be pretty inaccurate, and that's why I try to consistently reference Google Maps, especially on longer routes. So again, with the Uber driver app, you can still use third-party apps as your default navigation. With Lyft, you can't do that any longer, but you can access both Google Maps and Waze on a per-trip basis. And if you don't know how to access Google Maps or Waze on a per-trip basis, I discussed it in this Lyft app secrets video, and we'll have this link in the description. So again, utilizing a third-party navigation app is just good practice because unfortunately the in-app navs for both Uber and Lyft are not completely reliable. If you've yet to download the Solo app to help you manage your rideshare business and earn more, our referral link is in the description. We also have a free newsletter, and the link to sign up for that is in the description as well. If you've yet to watch my previous video on some crazy things that I have experienced in my 12 years of driving rideshare, be sure to check that one out. Thanks again for watching and drive safe. Thanks.